As some of you may know, I actually grew up in Fresno, California, and I'm definitely a Lakers fan through and through. It's hard to believe that Kobe's gone. I can't believe that his life was cut so short, but just wanted to make a sign and kind of tribute to him. He meant a lot to me as I was growing up. Some of my fondest memories are watching the games with my dad. My dad would let me stay up on school nights late and let me watch the Lakers games, and we bonded over a lot of those Laker games. And I remember him telling me through the championship, at least the first one, he told me that you got to enjoy all of these. And I'm staying up till midnight as like a 10-year-old and watching these games on school nights, and you got to remember these games because these don't happen all the time. Well, he managed to do it 4 more times after that first one, and I can't believe that his life is cut short. This is definitely incredibly sad. He meant a lot to me as a kid, and I remember one of his quotes that'll always stick with me is, once you know what failure feels like, determination chases success. That's something that's always meant a lot to me personally, and being determined in whatever it was that I was doing and making sure that I was, putting my best effort forward and all of that. He has so many quotes that always meant a lot to me, but just his tenacity for life, tenacity for the game, and being able to be the person that he was. But anyways, this is just a little sign to kind of pay some tribute to him and what he's meant to everyone. From all of us here at Tools Today, we offer our deepest condolences to the entire Bryant family and everyone else involved. I can't imagine how difficult it must be. But Kobe, you'll always be missed, but you'll also always be celebrated, not just for the incredible basketball player you are, but the amazing father and person that you are. You've taught me personally what determination truly means and given me some incredible memories with my dad that I'll always remember. Thank you, Kobe.